In this video we will learn how to create onboarding request in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the onboarding module on top navigation bar. So here you can see employee onboarding form. Click on the Add Employee on Board button. Select the employee from drop-down for onboarding. The user can change the station for first day of employee, and also reporting time if required. Any specific person to meet on their first day, change the reporting manager and select from drop-down. The user can enter instructions for the employee. Click on Next button to map onboarding tasks. Select Onboarding Template from drop-down. System will show the tasks details mapped in template. Select either to map questionnaire or not. If yes, then select the questionnaire from drop-down. Select either employee info is required to be filled by the employee on first login or not. Click on Save apostrophe button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successful.